Welcome to week 3 of astronomy. It's a short week. Happy Thanksgiving, by the way. And let me get right to it. First thing you need to do is go to the updates page. Click on the last update before this one and find the link that says, let's see if I can find it here. It'll say, watch this video right here. Okay, it says week 4 intro video. Don't worry about that. Watch that video. There is a question from that video. I do a video at the beginning of every week. There's a question from the video that you have to send an answer to me via email or message to get 10 points. If you don't get it, you'll be getting a 0. So make sure you watch that video that I just showed you. Let's go to week 3. It's a short week, so in my generosity, I'm giving only a few assignments this week. However, you can continue to work on the vocabulary assignment from week 1 that was assigned for the rest of the Hexter and the solar system cards. There's only a couple of you that have turned them into me. You need to get that done. Any questions, email me. I'll give you more explicit directions. So there's a quick discussion here. It says, for this week's first discussion, please use the following interactive link comparing spectra video. So watch the link. Once you click on this discussion, okay, there'll be a link just like this down here, and all you have to do is click on it, and it's going to talk about using a spectrometer to explore outer space and the universe. And the questions that you have to answer for me is based on what colors they get back, and keeping in mind that when they shoot a spectrometer, which is a graph sort of colors, when the colors come back, they can identify, scientists identify what elements are out in space by the colors that come back. And so if you have a spectrometer, say, way out on the Hubble telescope, and that's shooting out into the universe, it can really give you some ideas of what's out there in the universe as far as elements and things of that nature. So you have to just do a little comment on what you think about that. Next assignment. Oh, by the way, feel free to comment on my beautiful backdrop of celestial objects. I'm out in the universe here. So after you do that, watch this video, and then just as it says, click next button. The next button is right up here. Click the next button to join the discussion. So then there's a short series of questions that follow that video. So if you want to look at those questions first, feel free to do that. It's always a good idea. Purposeful reading and purposeful viewing. Then there's a very short reading on the universe and some questions you need to answer that follow. Guys, not many assignments this week. It's a short week. It's a good week to get caught up on all your missing assignments. Any questions, feel free to contact me. I appreciate all the work you've been turning in, but some of my students, and I'll be contacting you directly, have not turned in much at all. So let's get that taken care of, because you can do this. As I say in my intro here, let me scroll on that. Okay. Week 3, complete assignments for weeks 1 and 2. Be at least halfway done with the Hexter long projects. Get started on the Cosmos cards. Short week. Happy Thanksgiving, giving us assignments. Develop a growth mindset. Guys, you can do this. A growth mindset involves believing you can do just about anything and turning that belief into action. All you gotta do is take the time, get this done. All right, that's it for this week. Appreciate your attention. Feel free to message me And I'll definitely be in touch with each of you this week. And last of all, have a happy Thanksgiving.